In today's video, I'm going to show you how to host your backend on Hostinger in just a few minutes. If you've been looking for a simple way to give your application reliable, high-performance hosting without any hassle, this guide is for you. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by visiting Hostinger's official website. Hostinger is a solid choice for developers who want to take their projects live with dependable infrastructure. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. You'll find it at the top right corner. If you already have an account, sign in with your credentials. If not, you can quickly create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Hostinger control panel, also called H panel. This is where you'll manage everything related to your hosting environment. From your dashboard, locate and click on the Marketplace option. This section gives you access to Hostinger's full range of hosting services. Once you're inside the Marketplace, select Hosting to view all available hosting plans. Since we're hosting a backend, the plan you'll want to focus on is VPS hosting, short for Virtual Private Server. VPS hosting gives you more control, stronger performance, and better scalability than shared hosting, which makes it ideal for backend services or applications that need reliable uptime and fast response times. Click on VPS hosting, then select Explore to open the detailed view of the available plans. Each plan varies by storage space, memory, RAM, CPU, power, and bandwidth. Take a moment to review these details carefully. Think about the size and performance needs of your backend. For instance, a small API might run fine on a lower tier VPS, but larger applications or data-heavy systems will need more resources. Once you've decided which plan fits your needs best, click Add New VPS. This step officially begins the setup process for your backend hosting. Hostinger will guide you through configuration, allowing you to choose your server's operating system, location, and resource allocation. After your VPS is created, you'll be able to access it through SSH or Hostinger's built-in terminal. From here, you can install your backend framework, whether it's Node.js, Django, Laravel, or another stack, and configure your environment just the way you want it. You can also upload your backend files using FileZilla or directly through hPanel's file manager if you prefer a graphical interface. Once everything's uploaded and configured, test your backend by running your server and confirming that it's live using your VPS's public IP address. If everything loads properly, congratulations, your backend is now successfully hosted on Hostinger. The advantage of this setup is that you now have dedicated resources, greater control over performance, and the ability to scale as your project grows. Your backend will be more stable, handle traffic better, and respond faster to client requests. And that's all it takes. You've just learned how to host your backend on Hostinger with a few simple steps. If this guide helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. With your backend now up and running, you're ready to power your applications with reliable hosting and top performance. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.